In the Blipsounds Discord server, we got a lot of questions asking, what DAW should you start with? Well, to be honest, a DAW, it doesn't really matter what you start with, because all DAWs on a general scale are pretty much the same. They all are able to play audio, you can import audio. Some of them have limitations and some of them have extra stuff that make it better for sound design, but for the most part, I feel that a lot of people are missing an opportunity to just jump into something new and jump into sound design. This decision to ponder what DAW you should start with really means nothing in the grand scheme of your ability to learn as a sound designer. And my opinion is just to dive in to what you have seen the most, or what you trust the most, or what you feel the most comfortable with. Because you're going to jump into Pro Tools or Ableton or Reaper or whatever it may be, and to be honest, it just doesn't really matter too much in the end, because the differences between all of those DAWs are just small, minute differences that come down to user preference. I really prefer Reaper over all DAWs. I used to use Pro Tools, and before that, I used to use Logic, and before that, I used Audacity. But now I'm just using Reaper, and I love it, because I feel like I'm getting a little bit of everything that I like from all of those DAWs. And it also seems to be the best for me for video game sound design. So my recommendation is to use Reaper every single time. I know that some people are going to tell you to use Pro Tools or Ableton or Logic, and you should totally go with those. But we do have a free course on Reaper on the Blipsounds website that you can check out, where we go over the basics of Reaper, teaching you how to do sound design. And I think it's really valuable, and I think that you guys are going to like Reaper a lot. Reaper has so many unique options that other DAWs don't have, like custom actions, it's open source, you can add mono, stereo, or 5.1 audio files on the same exact track, which is surprisingly not a very common feature in other DAWs. And then you can also duplicate tracks easily, copy effects easily, and just automate things so well. So anyways, I hope this is helpful for you all, and I hope that you guys just dive in and select a DAW. It's not too scary. All you gotta do is just go in and just import audio and just start playing around with it. Like I said, we have a free course on the Blipsounds website that you can check out in the description below that goes over Fmod and Reaper. The first half is Reaper, and you can learn the basics of that and probably get a pretty good feel for how audio is edited for professional sound designers. So I highly recommend you check that out. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. We have a lot of new videos coming out, and we think it's going to be really valuable for all you sound designers out there. But anyways, hope to see you all in the free course. I'll catch you guys later.